welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. Today's video we are going to be unboxing the April 2019 IPSY GlamBag Plus subscription box. Now if you have been watching my channel for a while, it may look a little different as far as the camera quality. I am actually using my vlog camera right now because I typically use my computer as my viewfinder and it went kaput. And I'm low-key panicking, but I'm like, things have to get done. Film, film, film. So we're gonna hope that there is a thumbnail and all kinds of stuff for you guys when this video goes up. Now, little side note, I know that this video and my Boxycharm unboxing for April is going up late, but if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I did surprise my family with a little spring break vacation down to Florida, and Boxycharm and IPSY Plus actually sent my things, as well as my keto box, all while I was on vacation. And I'm like, that never happens. Y'all never ship me things early. So yeah, I'm a little behind on it. I know everybody has their video up, so I apologize for the delay. Hopefully today or tomorrow, Haley and I can film our IPSY versus IPSY, which may already be up. If we do get that video filmed, I'm definitely gonna put those videos up before this one, but those actually came late. I don't know what's going on. So anyways, I'm rambling. If you are new to what IPSY GlamBag Plus is, IPSY actually is a subscription service. Now you have two options with IPSY. You can get like their sample size IPSY Glam, or their IPSY bags. That is $10 a month, and like I said, it typically is sample size products. Sometimes they throw in full-size products, and that little bag is curated supposedly to your profile. Now, if you guys, again, have been with me for a while, you know that I fib on my IPSY profile so I can get better things in my bag. It's been working. Some of you guys don't agree with it, but you're not paying my bills. So, ooh, sassy girl's back. Sorry, guys. Anyways, now the Plus. IPSY GlamBag Plus is $25 a month. Again, it is a monthly subscription service, and you receive full-size products in here. Now, don't quote me on this. It may be curated to your profile, but I'm not 100% on that, guys. So, I don't know. I don't know. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this. It's so weird. I'm hoping that this is all in focus. I can't tell. I'm having to use like the little flip-de-doodad on my camera. So now, as always, you guys know that I do not peek. That you guys are getting a first impression here. I do not watch other unboxings of this. Okay, so you always get a little pamphlet in here. It just says your GlamBag Plus to-do list. And it says, now in the season, fresh spring beauty. I'm not peeking, which, I mean, I can't really see what is all in here. But anyways, it tells you a little bit about each product, how much it retails for, all of that fun stuff. Okay, so the first item that I see in here is a busted open box. You guys see that right there? Let's go ahead and figure out what this is. I do not know. This is the Gold Faded MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. That's awesome. I've never heard of this brand, but here's something that I really like. Are you guys ready for this? Just reading off the back of it, it says the benefits: organic, natural ingredients, paraben free, is it petrochemical free, no animal testing, tested on all skin types, mineral oil free, alcohol free, silicone free, gluten free, vegetarian. I don't plan on eating it, but whatever. And dermatologist tested. Let me tell you guys why I am excited for the fact that it says it's paraben free and mineral oil free. Okay, I purchased this Mario Badescu hyaluronic acid, or hyaluronic eye cream, and I thought I liked it at first till I read the ingredients, which was mineral oil. If you guys don't know, for me personally, mineral oil does clog my skin. Paraben, silicone, all of that stuff. I have sensitive under eyes as well as the rest of my skin. So I was very happy to read on here that that does not have it. So I will definitely be using this eye cream. Let's get it back into this box though. Now, as far as what this Bright Eyes retails for, I'm gonna try and go through here without peeking too much. Oh my goodness, it retails for $54. $35, guys. Let's see if it'll focus. So, and then here is what I was reading off the back. Hopefully, again, it focuses for you guys. I don't know. This is supposed to be an autofocus camera. Hopefully it's in focus. I don't have to fiddle with it like my old one. Okay, so the next item I did receive is the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. Now, who is this by? I guess Lovecraft Beauty. First video of the day, guys. Like, yeah. Okay, so let's open this up. Hopefully, like, it's not like Boxycharm where they got the bronzers wrong. Okay, I think I can actually use this. I'm not gonna totally open it, but hopefully you guys can see. I mean, I think that's a decent selection of shades here, so pretty happy with that. As far as what it retails for, this has a $39 value, guys. I honestly have never heard of Lovecraft Beauty before. If you guys have tried this already, or you've tried some of their other products, leave a comment down below and let me know. Sorry, I got sidetracked. I love Benefit brows. I guess through phases where I'm all about pencils. Like right now I use the ColourPop Dope Taupe pencil for a while there. I love pomades. I love the Benefit pomade, the Christina Ann Cosmetics pomade. This is the highbrow pencil. So I think this is like a natural nudie kind of color. Oh, it looks so fancy. It kind of reminds me of the new Jeffree Star lid. Let's see if that'll focus. Look at that. Yep, that's what it is. It is like a nude shade to kind of like clean up underneath the brow. So really excited about that. I have to remember to use that because I never think to use things like this. So anyways, this I'm sure retails for 20-some dollars. Let's just check. It's so weird to get used to this viewfinder, guys. So if my eyeballs are all over the place, I'm sorry. I still haven't gotten used to this camera. This retails for $22. Ooh, what is this? Holy guacamole. Ooh, looks like it is a palette by Laura, is it Sanchez? What? Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Isn't that cute? How fun. It reminds me of something like Benefit Cosmetics would come out with. Oh, this is cute. This is what the inside looks like. Hopefully my camera focuses. If not, sorry guys, I'm doing the best I can. So it looks like you get 2 highlighters in 8 eyeshadow shades and then a little brush down here with a good size mirror. That's awesome. Okay, you guys know me. I really like this side over here, but whatever. Okay, so again, another brand that I've never heard about. So that's the one thing that I really do like about these types of subscription boxes is there are times that you get, you know, products from companies you've never heard of before, and it's a great opportunity and a great chance to try out things. That actually retails for $35. And then the last item I received is by Paris Hilton. You guys, I don't know if it'll focus off my face. This is by Paris Hilton. It's an essential 2-in-1 first step cleanser to jumpstart your age delay. Huh, okay. I know like Rich Lux talks about her products all the time. I've never tried any of them. It does retail for $29. It says you might not be an actual heiress, but that doesn't mean you can't have rich girl skin. Okay. This cleansing gel is infused with exfoliating caviar, lime, and pineapple-derived enzymes to brighten your skin, cucumbers to depuff, and white tea extract to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and help repair sun damage, which I love because when I went to Florida, I fried. Not my face, but the rest of my body. Like, you probably see, like, flakes everywhere. Yeah. Anyways, retails for $29. You can use it morning and night. It actually sounds amazing. So definitely going to try that out. Let me go ahead and total up my grand total of what everything costs inside this box for you guys. Okay guys, so like I said, this IPSY GlamBag Plus monthly subscription does cost me like $25, and the grand total of everything in the box is $180. You guys, I think that this box was absolutely amazing. I'm getting the opportunity to try out new brands that I've not heard about before. Like I said, I didn't know Paris Hilton had skincare. I thought she had makeup from what Rich Lux had talked about, but I did not know she actually had skincare. And like I said, the ingredients that it like talks about sounds pretty amazing. This Golden Faden MD sounds great. Definitely gonna keep it and try it. This looks fun, and I definitely will be playing around with all of these products, guys. I mean, all of these products for $25. I do think that this box for April, I think it was definitely worth it. I feel like these are all products that I could definitely, you know, use in my regimens or try out, test out, and we will definitely be doing that. So anyways, I am going to end this video now because I have so much to catch up on, but I do want to make sure to give you guys a notification squad a shout out. If you want to be a part of the notification squad, it's very easy. Just make sure you are subscribed to my channel, click that notification bell 2 times, and then leave me a comment down below, hashtag notification squad, hashtag team hot mess, whatever it may be, as long as it's kind, and then you will get a chance at a shout out in a future video. Today's notification squad shout out goes to Deborah Middleton, Tracy Lee Beauty, and Kathy Hanlon. And of course, I do want to give a big shout out to my Patreons. Thank you guys so much to Cammie and Rachel. I greatly appreciate y'all's support. You guys know that I have recently started a Patreon. I am still trying to figure out the Patreon. I'm still learning and figuring out the whole Patreon aspect of things. But thank you guys for bearing with me. Like I said, greatly appreciate it. And to all of you guys out there that click that subscribe button as well, thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching my videos. I know that there is a ton of other creators out there that y'all could choose to be watching, but you decided to stop by and watch me for a second. So thank you. I appreciate it, because sometimes it can get crazy up here in the YouTube land. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I am going to go ahead and do IPSY versus Boxycharm. I haven't opened my Boxycharm yet, guys, but this IPSY, it's going to be hard to beat. $180 worth of stuff. I'm excited about it. So don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. You guys, I am so sorry if I'm all over the place. This is my first time filming since I've been back from vacation, and I've got a lot of things going on right now. Hopefully we'll figure it out in the next couple months, I'm hoping. It has to do with my health, so I will definitely keep you guys posted. I am actually doing my health journey over on my second channel, so of course check my description box down below for that. So if I seem a little off here lately, it's because I kind of am. I have a lot going on, and like I said, a lot that I'm trying to figure out. So anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.